Good morning to everyone, my dear student. Today discuss about some important topic of computer network line configuration. How data are transmitted from one device to another. It is important to understand the relationship between the communicating devices. Line configuration defines the attachment of communication devices to a link. It is referred to the way two or more communication attached to link. Example: communication between two devices. One device called system A, another device system B. That means to communicate system A to B using cable wires. A link is the physical communication between pathway that is transfer data from one device to another. There are two ways to connect the device. First one, point to point. A point to point connection provides a dedicated link between two devices. Example: to system 1 to system 2, for example workstation to workstation, link between two devices. Line configuration provides a dedicated link and line configuration use an actual length of wire or cable to connect the two ends, but other options such as microwaves or satellite links. Example: in your home you change television channels by infrared remote control. You are establishing a point to point line configuration between the remote control and the television control system. It's a real time example of. Second one, multi point connection. More than two devices share a link in multi point line configuration. It is also called multi drop line configuration. Example: the single line, for example router connect multiple connections, server, system 1, system 2, system 3, system 4, system 5, printer, server, scanner, system to connect the routers. Point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 points, multiple points connected in a single line. In a multi-point environment, the capacity of the channel is shared either or temporarily. For example, if several devices can use the link simultaneously, it is a time shared line configuration. Okay, next one, network topology. It is a very useful concept in computer network concept. Network topology means the arrangement of a network which comprises of nodes and connecting lines via sender and receiver is referred as network topology. Topologies refers to the way a network is laid out either physically or logically. Two or more devices connect to a link. Two or more links from a topology. The topology of network is the geometric representation of the relationship of all the links and linking devices, usually called nodes, to each other. There are 5 basic topologies are mesh topology, star topology, tree topology, bus topology, ring topology. First one, mesh. Mesh topology, every device has a dedicated point-to-point link to every other device. The term dedicated means that the link carries traffic only between the two devices is connected. A mesh topology is a network setup where each computer and network device is interconnected with one another. This topology setup allows for most transmission to be distributed even if one of the connected goes down. Example, several systems to connect in these lines. System 1 to another system, this system to this system, this to connection. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All each system connected into mesh type. Advantage of the dedicated link guarantees that each connection can carry its own data load, thus eliminating the traffic problem that can occur when link must be shared by multiple devices. Another advantage, privacy and security. Second one, star topology. In star topology, each device has a dedicated point-to-point link only to central controller, usually called hub. The devices are not directly linked to each other. This topology does not allow direct traffic between two devices. The controller hub acts as a exchange. If one device wants to send data to another, it sends the data to the controller, which then relays the data to another connected device. These star topology most common network setup. In a star topology setup, either a coaxial or RJ45 network cables is used depending on the network card. System 1, 2, 3, 4 and printer. 4 systems are connected and printers. Hub. The controller acts as an exchange. Hub controls that there are systems. Data come to hub. Hub transfer the data. This device, another device is a controller of the device. Next one, tree topology. A tree topology is a special type of structure where many connected elements are arranged to link the branches of tree. Tree topology, for example, using two n devices and using hub by subtrees, main tree and subtrees and sub hub. A tree topology is a variation of star, as in a star nodes in tree are linked to central hub that controls the traffic to the network. However, not every device plugs directly into the central hub. The majority of devices connected to the secondary hub that is in turn connected to the central hub. The central hub is the tree is activated hub. An activate hub contains a repeater, which is hardware devices that regenerates the received bits pattern before sending them out. The repeating strength transmission and increases the distance a signal can travel. Next one, bus topology. It is also called line topology. Is a network setup where each computer and network device connected to a single cable. Depending on the type of computer network card, a coaxial cable or RJ47 network cable is used to connecting together. Single cable connect multiple systems: server, workstation, system, printer, system. A bus topology, on the other hand, is a multi-point. One long cable acts as a backbone to link all the devices in the network. Nodes are connected to the bus cable with drop lines and taps. A drop line is connecting running between the device and main cable. A tap is connected the either into main cable as a signal travel along the backbone. Some if it is energy is transferred into heat, therefore it become weaker and weaker, the further is has it to travel. For this reason, there is a limit and number taps a bus can support and the distance between those taps. Advantage: it is easy to installation. Disadvantage: difficult to reconfiguration. Next one, ring topology. A ring topology is a network configuration where device connected create a circle data path. It is called ring format, circle data path. Each network device is connected to two other link points on a circle. Together, device in a ring topology are referred as a ring network. Diagram, listen here. Ring topology connected several devices in ring pattern. One ring pattern. Each device has a dedicated point-to-point line configuration only, with the two devices on either side of it. A signal is passed along the ring one direction from device to device until it reaches its destination. Each device is the ring incorporate a repeater. When a device receives a signal intended for another device, this repeater regenerate the bits and pass the along. And each device is linked only its immediately neighbor, either physically or logically. Next one, hybrid topology. Network combines several topologies as subnetwork linked together in a larger topology called hybrid topology. Is a type of network topology that use two or more differing network topologies. These topologies can include mix of bus topology, mesh, ring, star, and tree. Listen here. Collection of several topologies are called hybrid topology. Star and combine two or more topologies, for example bus topology and mesh, or star or bus or mesh or ring combination of called hybrid topology. Star topology, different bus topology, there are called hybrid topology. Okay, thank you.